look at you, you make me blind. Why do you have to be so beautiful all the time? I know I can't be with you. It's killing me to see you with someone else. What to do? Now I'm in the corner and watching you smile.
Hey you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here today for a rainy day clean with me, a cozy rainy day clean with me, or at least I hope by the music that I chose for today's video. But it was literally raining all day, pouring raining if I must say, and I am in my second trimester now, and I know I've been gone for a month now. After my last video, I kind of explained to you guys what was going on and the pregnancy blues that I had going on and the serious and severe morning sickness that I had. But I'm starting to feel better now, and not totally completely better, but you know, the nauseousness is not as severe as it was. I can tell that it's on its way out, and of course now I'm sick. That's why my voice sounds a little bit stuffy. I swear I can't catch a break, but nevertheless, I am feeling better, which is why I decided to come back, and hopefully I can stay consistent every week again. You guys have no idea how much it pained me to stay away from YouTube for so long. I love you guys. I love sharing with you guys. I love creating after, and I shared this on Instagram. If you don't follow me over there, I'll leave my handle in the description, but I stay up to date there like every day mostly. And after editing this video and just rewatching it, I started to cry because I just enjoy creating. And after 3 months now of feeling completely just not myself and just so terrible, and then dealing with these emotions of accepting the pregnancy and all that stuff, it was really hard. And to be able to get back to something like this that was part of my normal routine before this, just that sense of normalcy, I don't even know if that's a word, but just, you know, getting back to my normal routine and posting a video and editing and seeing what I edited, it just meant so much to me, and I didn't expect to cry, but I did. And while this video is definitely not perfect, I don't look my best, and I forgot to change I haven't used my camera in so long, I forgot to change the settings so it doesn't look so orangey and so bright. So forgive the quality of this video. I'm just so happy to be able to get some motivating content out there. I hope this is motivating for you guys. I basically tackled the entire first floor. I had a mountain of dishes, and I gave everything a real deep clean that I haven't done in, guys, so long. I told you guys I haven't cooked since I got pregnant, and I just started cooking again, and I'm just getting back to my normal routine, and it feels so good. After cleaning this day, it felt so good to just lay back and open all the windows and watch the rain fall and watch movies with my husband and my daughter and just feel again that sense of our normal routine and being in a clean house again, and like a clean house. Like, I felt like it was deep cleaned on this day, because during my pregnancy me and my husband, mostly my husband, was just trying to do a little bit of upkeep so that the house wouldn't look terrible. But as for the floors and the counters, like, God bless them, they was not being touched, but I did touch everything today. I wiped down all the surfaces in my living room, my dining room, and my kitchen. So I hope that this gives you cozy vibes. I will pop on here a little bit later. I do have some stuff to tell you guys about some upcoming stuff and just a little bit of updates in my life, but I'll let you guys enjoy the music for a little while and a little bit of this cleaning motivation. But I hope that you guys are cleaning with me as you watch this video, or just listening. But one of the things I wanted to show you guys was the condition of my sink. So you guys are about to see me go hammer on my sink right now with the pink stuff and power wash and baking soda and vinegar, and I promise I'm not being extra just for this cleaning video. My sink really needed it. There was so much gunk in that drain, because I usually keep up with it, but again, we was just putting dishes in the dishwasher and clearing out everything and not really deep cleaning because I just didn't have it in me. So trust me, I'm not being extra. My sink really needed this clean, so that's what I did.
I tried so hard to make you happy, and I know that you tried your best as well to make me smile. And I can feel it deep inside. We will never work this out. We will never work this out. I can feel it deep inside. We will never work this out. We will never work this out. We're falling down. We're falling down. What's happening right now?
Now that the sink and the dishes are cleared, I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down everything, and I'll use this time to kind of give you guys an update on how I've been doing mentally, because I did post on Instagram if you guys wanted this to be more of a chatty style clean with me. You guys know I love those. I just love chatting with you guys, or especially when you guys comment back. Like, I just love chatting with you guys. Or if you just wanted it to be cozy with some music, and most of you guys, majority of you guys said you wanted it to be chatty and kind of a life update. So I'm doing much better mentally. If you watched my last video, I was in a completely different place. I'm more excited now. So yeah, I'm in my second trimester, and I actually had my appointment where they did the gender testing, blood test, the NIPT. I'm so excited because last time I was pregnant, the insurance that I had didn't cover it for whatever reason. So I had to wait. The doctor wouldn't give me a gender until 20 weeks. So I actually went ahead and went to a private company and did it at 14 weeks. And that's how I did my gender reveal. But this time they took the blood test at 10 weeks. So much earlier. I'm waiting on the results now, and the gender reveal is in 2 weeks, so I'm so excited for that. I'm doing I'm going all out with the decor and a tent, and doing balloon garlands and centerpieces, DIY centerpieces, from some stuff that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm excited because the first time that I was pregnant, it was like literally the beginning of the pandemic. So my gender reveal and my baby shower and all that stuff was all very, very small. And this time I got to invite more of our family and our friends, and I'm just really excited to be able to do something on a larger scale. It's still going to be at home in our backyard, but tents, and we rented tables and chairs because we wanted to invite more people, and there's going to be covers and runners and centerpieces, and I'm doing all that myself. God help me. And yeah, I ordered everything off Amazon, so I'm really excited. But that being said, kind of feeling better and getting to the point where like the gender reveal is coming and I'm soon going to know whether it's a boy or girl. That has made me really excited about this pregnancy. I have accepted it, and I'm doing much, much better. I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of that. I don't vlog, and this is not like, I mean, it's a lifestyle channel, but through my decor and my my cleaning motivation and motivational videos and all that stuff, I kind of share my life with you guys more through voiceovers than vlogs and stuff. So the gender reveal video will be me decorating so you guys can see the entire process, but then at the end I will include the clip of us finding out whether we're having a baby boy and a baby girl. I am team girl. I want my baby girl to have a sister that I never had, and also I have that mommy intuition that it is a girl. But I don't know, my husband thinks it's a boy. I think he just thinks it's a boy because we already had a girl, and he says that because my symptoms are so much worse this time that he thinks it's a boy. But yeah, so that's coming up in the next, I would say, 2 videos, and I'm excited to share that with you guys, and I'm doing a lot better. So I thank every single one of you guys who have commented on my last video and also have personally reached out to me on Instagram, just encouraging me and letting me know that I'm not alone in the way I was feeling, because you can really feel like when you're not super excited about a second or third or unexpected pregnancy and you were just not ready at that time in your life. Not that I didn't want another child, but it was just the timing that it happened, and the way that, you know, the peak of my morning sickness fell on the week of my vacation, and the vacation that I haven't taken so long, just all that stuff, and feeling like I wasn't happy really made me feel guilty, and sharing that with you guys was actually very vulnerable for me. And to know that there's other moms that feel that way and I didn't get like crucified for feeling that way, it just felt really good to be able to share that and to be supported. So I thank you guys for that. But now my living room wasn't too bad. I just needed to pick up in here, and yes, I have a sheet on my white couch. I'm trying to keep it clean because I cleaned it just a few weeks ago before I found out I was pregnant, and I'm just really not trying to clean it again while I'm not feeling well. So I have a sheet on it so, you know, it doesn't get messy or dirty or anything like that, but it still has a little bit of stains on it. But yeah, that's why I have the sheet on it. For those of you guys who are wondering how I keep a white couch clean, they do have removable cushion covers, so I just don't like cleaning them as often as, you know, you should. But anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna clean up, and then I lifted up all the chairs because my floors needed a really deep clean. You guys will see in a second the condition of my floors. It's springtime, and when my dog goes out and he's furry and he brings in all that pollen, there's pollen all over my floor. There's a lot of debris on my floors because, again, we haven't like given a good vacuum or a good mop in such a long time. I'm not even embarrassed to say it, you know, I just didn't feel up to it. And so getting this done on this day was really, really so satisfying. I wish you guys can like see it through my eyes, because it was just a lot of debris being picked up, and it was so satisfying. But yeah, so after I wipe down in here, I'm gonna do the floors, and I'm gonna try to keep talking to a minimal.
Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town. Just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. I wanna know if I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the...
I I didn't capture me doing everywhere because my camera was dying, but this is one of the things that I do when I'm doing a real deep clean. I just feel like the vacuum with its normal attachment doesn't get like the perimeter very well, and so you can see a lot of it being picked up. So I go around with the smaller attachment literally throughout the entire perimeter of the floor and around the island and everywhere, literally everywhere, and I pick up whatever's in those cracks, and that's how I know I'm getting a real deep clean. I don't do this every time by any means, and I don't like pick up my chairs every time I'm vacuuming and stuff like that. But again, this was just like a deep clean day because my floors really needed it, as you can see. So I hope that if you guys don't try this, that you try it after watching this video, because it really truly makes you feel like everything is so much more cleaner. Even like under a little bit under my stove and under my fridge, things get like trapped there as I'm vacuuming, and just using that smaller attachment, just it satisfies me so much because I know I'm getting like everywhere that I'm able to.
I don't know if I can make the days go by like this right now. I don't know if I can make.
Alright, you guys, well, that's it. I thank you guys for cleaning with me and for chatting with me today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope that it was cozy, motivating, and you got a little chit chat from me and felt like you were here with me. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video, God willing. As always, make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss all the exciting videos coming. I do have that gender reveal video coming, and I have some other stuff. I've been dying to redecorate after spring. As you can see, I still have bunnies everywhere, so I have to do that, and I hope you guys are looking forward to that. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.